Welcome back to another day of spring cleaning motivation. Today we are deep cleaning one of my kids' rooms. In my last video, we decluttered all of his toys and all of his clothes. Now today we are doing the deep cleaning. So the first thing I'm doing is just moving everything away from the walls so I can get to those places that I don't normally get to when I'm doing my daily cleaning. If this is the very first spring cleaning series video that you are seeing, I've been posting a video almost every single day in April to not only get my spring cleaning done, but hopefully give you some motivation to get yours done too. And I say almost every day because my original plan was to post every single day for 30 days straight the entire month of April. I had AI create a 30-day spring cleaning schedule for me. I gave the size of my house, how many rooms I have in my house, what rooms I have here, and it generated an accurate and realistic cleaning schedule for me for 30 days straight. That is the schedule I have been following, but like I said, I am slightly off schedule. We had some family events and different things going on, so I am being a little bit flexible here and rearranging some days, but I have confidence that I will get my entire spring cleaning list done by April 30th. If you've been doing this along with me, this is just your reminder that it's okay to be flexible, it's okay to fall a little bit behind. That's another reason why each day is so manageable and so realistic, because if anything does happen, it's okay to do some rearranging. Even if you're just getting done a little bit at a time, you should be proud of yourself. What's going on?
How did you do this?
You are so silly.
You look cool.
This is cool. Every single time I clean Wyatt's room, that is how he reacts. It is the cutest thing ever. He is so grateful and appreciative. You can go back to my last video where I decluttered his room and he has the exact same reaction. Since everything was already decluttered, the first place I'm deep cleaning is his closet. Basically just taking everything out of the drawers, wiping them down, making sure the handles are nice and clean and the closet is dusted. The closet is done. I'm going to turn the light off, shut the door, clean the doors and the trim and all of the baseboards. Since I've been doing this for about 2/3 of the month now, I've kind of developed a flow in each room and just easily move from one thing to the next. I feel like setting myself up like this with this 30-day deep cleaning, spring cleaning schedule was not only helpful in creating the schedule and helping me stay on track in that way, but also insightful in helping me learn how to clean more efficiently. Of course, I already know how to clean, but just having this structure helped me a ton. Usually when I clean, I fly by the seat of my pants and do what needs to be done when I think it needs to be done. I've tried to get on different cleaning routines and nothing seems to work for me, but doing this definitely worked for me. After cleaning the window, I'm going to vacuum the perimeter of the room since everything is pulled away from the walls. It's a great opportunity for me to vacuum those places that I don't normally reach. One thing you will not see in any of my spring cleaning videos, which you normally would, but I'm so thankful we had Stanley Steamer come over and steam clean all of the carpet all over my home. The reason we decided to do this is because ever since we moved into this house, our dog Bella has been having some accidents on the carpet. Of course, we clean them as they happen, but I don't understand it, and she never had any accidents in our old house, so it really doesn't make any sense to me. We thought it was temporary just from the shock of moving, but it's definitely not temporary, and unfortunately we've had to prevent her from going upstairs because it's happening so frequently. But the weird thing is, it only happens when we're not in the house. We were trying to do some research on this, and it appears that she misses us and looks for our scent and kind of marks it, which it would make sense that that would be on the carpet upstairs. So this has definitely been one of the biggest challenges moving into this house for us, is how to deal with this and hopefully prevent it from happening. But since it has happened a few times, we decided to have Stanley Steamer come over, steam clean all of the carpet, and also do a deodorize and protect treatment to treat any areas that were a little smelly. Of course, we tried to do that ourselves, but we thought a professional cleaner would do a little bit better job. And the protect treatment, even though we're trying to take preventative measures here from it happening again, if it does ever happen again, or even if the kids spill something on the carpet that maybe they're not supposed to have upstairs, like juice or something like that, the protect treatment is supposed to help the fibers of the carpet not absorb so much liquid. That was a very long-winded way to explain why I won't be carpet cleaning any carpet in my home in this spring cleaning series, because we've already had it done. Wyatt's favorite color is and always has been orange, so I'm putting some orange sheets on his bed for him. You can see he has some orange curtains. He also loves lions, like loves them so much and always has. Those are two things that he has loved since he was really, really little. So eventually, I know we're doing makeovers in this house a little bit at a time, taking it one step at a time, but eventually when we do his room makeover, I think we're going to do a full, like, orange lion theme room. I think orange and lions goes really, really well together. So I think I can make this work and come up with something super cool for him that he will absolutely love. It was Wyatt's request that I put his orange blanket on top of his quilt, so that is what I did, and the last thing we're doing in here is vacuuming. You're her guard? You're her big guard, her big tough guy guard?
Yeah.
Oh, what a good brother. Tickly, 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 tickly. Thanks for spending time with me today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.